So in our last video, we focused on summary statistics, and that's still going to be the focus here. So when we use summary statistics, we have to do summary tab, and then we have to have the object either specified, or we would have had to previously attach the object. So when I click on that object, if I want to do the summary big combined data set $, and then I would pick on the variable. Easy enough. Or if I've attached it, attach big combined data set. They're all attached. Now I can do summary on my life expectancy variable, and it'll work just fine. Now there are some data in here. I know, like I think the infant mortality rate data. Yeah, you see that? There's an NA value that's on that particular spot right here. It's another one. Not every county in the United States had infant mortality rates reported. So how do we deal with that? If I were to do summary infant mortality rate, it's even got this little pink thing here indicating that this is not a truly continuous variable right now. So I try to run it, it went ahead and did it for us. So that's a good thing, because it means the summary command has built into it the ability to recognize NA type data. But not every command does that. If I type in mean infant mortality rate, it may struggle. NA. And the reason is because it doesn't know how to deal with the missing data. So if that happens and you want to force it on whatever your command is where it's giving you this NA prompt, you would have to tell it infant mortality rate, and then you have to do comma, and there's a special command called na.rm equals true. And now it's saying that do the mean of the infant mortality rate for the attached object if we want to truly, I guess, remove the NA data. NA remove equals true. And there it is, 6.83, which earlier, the mean right there, 6.83. The summary command does it all by itself. So this is pretty easy stuff, you know, a lot easier to very rapidly get the information you want. So again, I want the percent diabetic by county. This is 2017 data. Summary, it will do it. If I want to try to get the standard deviation, which is SD, I have to deal with how to handle the diabetic data. I do diabetic, summary diabetic, comma, and A dot remove equals true. And I don't know if the space matters. So there's the standard deviation, if you wanted the standard deviation. So if we did the mean again with this particular one, just a little more review. Mean diabetic is the variable name for the attached object, comma, na.rm equals true. I run it, it gives me 11.626, and that would round to 11.63. So that's how you deal with NA or missing variables. So I'm going to stop it right here, and we'll continue on shortly.